Welcome to the Beginner's Guide to Monday.com items. This tutorial will walk you through the process of creating and managing items in Monday.com, a powerful work operating system. To start, items in Monday.com are the basic building blocks of any board, and they can represent a wide range of things such as tasks, projects, customers, or even inventory. Each item can contain various columns that hold different types of information, such as text, dates, numbers, and more. First, navigate to your Monday.com board and click the plus sign at the top right corner to create a new item. A pop-up window will appear where you can fill in the item name and add any relevant information to the various columns. You can also add tags, due dates, and assign the item to a specific person or team. Once you have created an item, you can customize it further by adding more columns, uploading files, or even creating a dependency on other items. This allows you to create a detailed and structured workflow that suits your specific needs. One of the key concepts in Monday.com is the ability to create custom columns. This allows you to tailor your items to fit your specific use case. Whether it be a project management board, a customer relationship management system, or even a simple to-do list. To create a custom column, click on the plus sign at the top of the board and select the type of column you want to create. Monday.com offers a wide range of column types, including text, date, number, and even a checkbox. You can also create a drop-down column that allows you to select from a predefined list of options. Best practices for creating and managing items in Monday.com include keeping your items concise and focused on a single topic, using clear and descriptive names for your items and columns, and regularly reviewing and updating your items to ensure they remain relevant and accurate. By following these steps and best practices, you can harness the full power of Monday.com items to streamline your workflow, improve productivity, and achieve your goals. Remember to experiment with different column types and workflows to find the one that works best for you and your team.